I love Quantrix and I want to make you a Quantrix master. Go to quantrixauthority.com to learn more.
Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 338. Return the most frequent value or mode. Came across this one at my day job, and I was super excited to spend a night showing you how to do this because this is awesome. I have here a model. It has a part code, and with that part code I want to return the max fluid container size. Well, that max fluid container size is coming from a different matrix called the FG Remastered Product Group Helper. And within this matrix, I have a part code here, and I have the max fluid container size. You can see that I have it actually listed 3 times, 55, 20, and 20. Well, the data that we have here in this model is a little bit wonky, is a little bit messed up, and I don't want it to return the 55. It's returning the 55 because I've got a select statement here, and it's just going out and it's pulling in the first value in the list. What I want it to pull in is actually the most frequent value that is associated with this part code 1558. So in order to make that happen, I need to use the mode function within Quantrix in addition to my select. So I'm going out here, I'm selecting my max fluid container size. I'm doing a lookup here of this part code plus this string of container. And what I'm looking up here is the part code that I'm on, which is 15558. And I have a little key here or an appendage to this with a pipe character and container to match this syntax over here. And it's bringing back the 55. So if I were to look at my dependency inspector, you could see that really I'm bringing back 3 values. I'm bringing back 55, 20, and 20. But again, if I were to use the mode function, I could go ahead and I could pull in the most frequently used value within that list. So if I were to go down here and simply type in mode around this, it brings back not the mean, not the median, nor the first one in the list, but it brings back the most frequent value that I have in my list, which in this case is 20. So I remember learning about mean, median, and mode from, I think, my math teacher in 7th grade, Kurt Myers, Delta High School, Central Utah. Anyway, shout out to him. I'm sure he'll never watch this video, but if he did, he'd probably feel satisfaction because he taught me the difference between mean, median, and mode. And mode is what we use to return the most frequent number in an array as far as its frequency or occurrence count. If you have any questions about how to use Quantrix, maybe you have questions about mean, median, and mode, I would hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com and let me know what your question is in Quantrix. I absolutely love Quantrix. I want to make you a Quantrix master. So I hope you'll join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.
Today's podcast is brought to you by quantrixauthority.com. I love Quantrix and I want to make you a Quantrix master.